Anker iPad 9.7 2018 tempered glass screen protector is in the building. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, we're going to do an installation and review of the tempered glass screen protector from Anker for the Apple iPad 9.7 2018. Anker is known for making USB cables, chargers, power banks, but they've recently stepped into the tempered glass screen protector game. So I thought I'll go ahead, purchase their new tempered glass screen protector for the newly purchased iPad 9.7 2018 and see how it performs. Pretty simple packaging from Anker over here. On the back you have all the models which this tempered glass screen protector is applicable for, and go ahead and make sure to recycle this package once you're done with this guy. Inside the package we have this tempered glass screen protector over here. You also have this envelope over here. Let's go ahead, open this guy. Another plastic bag over here. Let's go ahead and open this guy as well. So you have your installation guide, another plastic bag with the microfiber cloth and the dust removal stickers, whether you're happy or you're not happy, and an Anker card to push out those air bubbles. Alright YouTube, so this is our tempered glass screen protector for the iPad 9.7. Doesn't feel like glass to me. From the sound it feels a bit plasticky to me, but it is what it is. I'll go ahead and place the screen protector on my iPad 9.7 2018 and be back. Alright YouTube, I've aligned the screen protector and I'm using masking tape. I haven't peeled off the inner layer over here, this guy over here on the bottom left of your screen, because what I'm going to do next is I'll go ahead and flip over this screen protector like so, and then go ahead and give the screen a wipe. Once I'm done cleaning the screen, I will go ahead and remove this back layer and then flip it over so that it adheres to the screen. Now, I'm not sure what case manufacturers are thinking, but in case of a tablet, this is where you need one of those aligning frames. I can easily eyeball a screen protector on a phone without a frame, but this specific scenario is where you need those alignment frames for sure. Alright YouTube, cleanup activities are done, but before I go ahead and install the tempered glass screen protector on the iPad 9.7 2018, let me go ahead and tell you, Anker did provide these things in that small bag. So you had your alcohol wipe, you have your hinge sticker, you have your screen protector lifting sticker, and you also have your dust removal sticker along with this microfiber towel. And I will go ahead and repeat myself, instead of these hinge stickers I would still prefer an actual frame. That being said, let's go ahead and remove this back sticker over here. Once this is done, without putting any fingerprints on the inside of the screen protector, let's go ahead and use our DIY hinge and we'll go ahead and let it drop. Now I will go ahead and remove my DIY hinges and I'll be back. Alright YouTube, here's the final result. The cutout for Touch ID lines up pretty good. The cutout for the camera also lines up pretty good over here. It's not centered, but it is what it is. As for the typing and the keyboard sensitivity, I personally do not see any change with the tempered glass screen protector on. So what's the bottom line for this guy? Well, Anker sells this tempered glass screen protector for the iPad 9.7 2018 for 10 bucks on Amazon.com. Well worth the price, but again, as I mentioned before, I would still have preferred the alignment frame because it would have just made my job very easy. That's it for this video YouTube. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.